Welcome to the Synoptic Gospel, Overview of the Gospel Series, Part 9, Conclusion. To summarize this video briefly, the Synoptic Gospel 5 column, built on the foundation of the four Gospels of the New Testament, is a very complete and accurate, word-for-word, merged harmony of the four Gospels of the New Testament. The fifth column of that database, the Synoptic Gospel, the story of the life of Jesus, is the new unified Gospel, presented in a way that is detailed and yet easy to read and understand. So read the Synoptic Gospel, the story of the life of Jesus, as the Gospel, and study the words and the deeds of Jesus to understand their meaning. And if you are a Bible student or scholar, consider also owning a copy of 5 column. For now, these books are only available at the website, synopticgospel.com and tsg5c.com, where printed books can be purchased along with their PDF versions, which include all of the features and graphics, along with an active table of contents and hyperlinks. The Synoptic Gospel, the story of the life of Jesus, is also available as an EPUB, and, along with the Mobi edition for Kindle, they can both be purchased at Amazon. I thank you for watching, and hope that you will enjoy reading the complete Gospel story of the life of Jesus in all of its unified simplicity. For more information, or to view sample scenes from the Synoptic Gospel, the story of the life of Jesus, or to read the articles and notes, including the 16 steps of the merging process, visit the website, synopticgospel.com. This ends Part 9, the final part of the Synoptic Gospel Overview of the Gospel series. We hope that you have enjoyed this series and can appreciate the value of the Synoptic Gospel as the complete story of the life of Jesus. For more information, visit the website at synopticgospel.com. Thank you.